Assalamualaikum students of level 6. I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. This is Ms. Samira Zadi, a computer studies teacher from Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9, and today we'll continue the chapter 7, that is formulas and functions in Excel. Okay, now last time in my Zoom session I was explaining you about the formulas and its types, which includes arithmetic formula, comparison formula, and reference formula. Okay, in today's class I'm going to explain you about creating, copying, and displaying formulas in Excel, and functions and its types. Okay, now let's start. Now you have to open the page number 97. Okay, in which I am going to explain you how can we create a formula. First of all, as we know that the formulas always begins with the equal to sign, and to creating a formula, first I am going to click the cell where you want to enter the formula. Okay, then type equal to sign to begin the formula. Click the first cell you want to reference in the formula. Okay, then type an operator like press operator, minus operator, whatever the formula you have to be entered over there for the formula. Then click the next cell you want to reference in the formula. Okay, now repeat the same steps for different cell, in this picture, for cell C5, and the cell D5 and E5 and F5. Okay, and then now as you can see over here, I can type the whole formula like this, and the colors is being changed for each cell reference. Okay, then when we can press enter, then it can display the total value of the amount. Okay, now you can see on the given picture that formula bar display any formula assigned to the active cell, and formula results appear in the cell. To view the formula, simply by clicking the cell. Now I'm going to explain you that how can we copy a formula in different cells. If we want to copy the same formula within a worksheet several times, we can use the autofill feature of Excel. It helps us to copy the formula quickly across the rows or columns in a worksheet. First, to copy the formula, first I enter the formula you want to copy to other cell. Okay, then click on the cell containing formula you want to copy. Position the mouse over the button right corner of the cell. Drag the mouse when the plus sign appears, then drag the mouse over the cell you want to receive a copy to the formula. To view one of the new formulas, click a cell that received copy of the formula. Okay, to display the formula instead of the result of the calculations, we can display the formulas in the worksheet. Formula bar displays the formula for the active cell. First we click on the formula tab on the ribbon, then click on show formulas. Okay, the Excel automatically adjusts the column width to display the formula clearly. My next topic is the functions. Functions are the pre-written built-in formulas that can be used quickly and easily. Functions differ from regular formulas in which the values are supplied, but not the operators such as plus, minus, multiply, or divide. And Excel provides over 300 functions that can be used to perform calculations. For example, sum function, auto sum function, average, count, maximum, max, or some commonly used functions, minimum, etc. There are different types of functions. Okay, in this chapter there are 11 categories in which Excel has grouped functions. Each category can include a variety of functions. First one is the queue function. We can use the queue function to take the OLP on like online and processing data and display it in a cell or using OL function 10 time function. Engineering function can use okay, and financial function for calculating and tracking loan principal, interest, description, and feature values. Information type function used for testing our data, and logical function is used for logical statements such as if then statement. Okay, lookup and reference function is used for locating references or specific values in our worksheets. Okay, mathematical and trigonometric function used for calculations of all type of data. Okay, statistical function used for calculating averages, probabilities, ranking, trends, and so on. Text function is used to search and replace data and other text tasks. Database function is used to count, add, and file database items if we are using Excel as a database program. Okay, I'm sure you can understand the today's topic. Okay, now I'm give you an exercise that you have to do in your exercise book. I will tell you that the few questions, that is for 4 questions, we already have done from this chapter and in our Zoom class. And today we will start the question 5, that make a flow chart that shows the steps to copy formula. Question 6, what are functions? How are they helpful? Question 7, explain the use of any 5 types of functions. Okay, I'll also give you a homework that you have to do in your textbook, the exercise 1, 2 and 3, that is on page number 105 and 106 in your textbook, and the exercise 5C from long question answer, that is explain different types of formulas provided in Excel, and 5D, that is what are operators, categorize different operators used in Excel. I hope you can understand the today's topic and easily do the given assignment and the homework. Okay, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.